Okay, just showing you what I've done so you get an idea how to do it yourself. I cut that piece out there at the top first. So nice piece I cut out. There we are. So I can get the saber saw blade in there. Because the saber saw blade's 2mm thick. My cutting blade's only 1mm thick. And now I'm cutting on a diagonal across at the bottom. I'm almost through. Just it's already loose. You can see it's rocking. The top piece is held up. I've got a jacket and acro holding that up. And I'm just going to cut through that little corner at the bottom there, and that piece is out. Then the rest is piece by piece cutting with a grinder. Now that post is full of water because of all the holes that were in it. And I've got to, once I've finished cutting it all, I've then got to get make some concrete up and fill that hole with concrete. So it's all taken care of. The thing to be careful of when there is water is when using electrical equipment. Much easier with a battery grinder than I've got my electrical grinder. My battery ones died a while back. They're a bit old. Battery ones don't last as long as an electric one. They're not as strong either. But they are very, very good for what they are. And I wish I had one right now. Anyway, I've just got to cut this. I thought I'd show you what I've done. Now I did do a nice straight line. I used my crayon and square to mark this line. That top line where I cut that nice, reasonably square. So it should be able to, I should be able to marry into that quite well with the new post, the new piece I'm making for there. But I'll check that and double check it with the grinder, and I'll get lay down and look up and try and make sure it's all right for marrying into with the new piece of post that I have to weld on. Okay, thanks guys. Talk to you again soon. Bye.